Hi guys, some of you have asked me about dividing decimals, so I'm going to do a couple of examples for you to help you out a little bit. The first one I want to do is going to be a division that it's going to have a decimal both in the dividend and the divisor. See that here? In this problem, this is the dividend and you have a decimal, and this is the divisor and you also have a decimal. What you're going to do, remember, is that the divisor always goes on the outside of the house, okay? And you are going to put the dividend inside, okay? And then here, you always start from the outside, and you're going to move the decimal as many places as you have here to make that a whole number. So your decimal's here, so I'm going to move it out of the way, moving it 1 and 2 places. So now that 0.25 becomes a 25, okay? Because you moved it twice, that means you also have to move it twice here. So I'm gonna put it here and then here. But what happens is I got nothing here, so I gotta add a 0. So now I am dividing 25 on the outside, and this number here became a 650. Now I can do the division, and 25 goes into 65 2 times. 2 times 25 is 50. I'm going to subtract, and I got 15 as a remainder down here. And then I'm going to bring down my 0, okay? And that's going to be 6. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 2, 12. So that would be 150. So your answer here is going to be 26, okay? Now, I'm going to do another example for you, but for the next example, I want to do one like this, where you have a decimal in the divisor, but not in the dividend. In that case, I have this here, okay? And I am going to do, all right, hold on a second, okay. I'm gonna move my decimal over twice, just like I did earlier. Well, here, if I do that, I have to do the same thing here, okay? And this becomes that, 400. So 25 goes into 40 one time, okay? I subtract, and I get a 15, and I bring down the 0. And then I have, again, 6. Okay, so in this case, my answer is 16.